Well, here we are. It's what? Hold on. We're inside the car here. Move the rubber band man aside. There's the rubber band in the way. There's rubber band holding that shit. See this rubber bands? These rubber bands. That's the car mirror. We're in the local parking lot. Some people call it a parking lot. Could be a child lot. Could be whatever the fuck we want to call it lot. What do you think of that? Anyway, let's rock. Ooh, got a small rise out of that one. There's the riser, just in case you didn't know. There it's down. Left hand to the side. Feel for the nodule. Anyway, all that to get to this point. Those were sidetracked. On the side of the road, smell the flower techniques. Fuck. The fuck. Jesus fucking light bulb quest. There, now we got the button on that side. Here's the time and date stamp there. Where are you at? Huh. It's a 10-year battery. They say get the fuck finger out of the way, dickwad. Every time you press the button, it diminishes the strength of the 10 years in the battery. Every time we use the light. So, shall we conserve? Or shall we just burn the fuck out of the bulb? It's supposed to be a Friday, 11:41, 44 seconds, the year 2020. Where the fuck's the camera at? Must be right there. It's always nice to be able to see the face while we're trumpeting here. Jesus fuck. I need to be able to see this. Hold on, let me put the bifocals on. Anyway, that's fucking 18th fucking day of the 9th month, which is September, which is 8 days after the fucking fire started over here in this area, called the holiday fuck you up the ass farm video. Scared the fucking daylights out of the fucking flesh. Jesus fucking San burn a fucking Dino. Anyway, fuck that. We're just gonna make a quick one here just to say fucking fly. Just because it rained around here, so now everyone says fucking this, and that, whatever the fuck. Anyway, here's a quick shot just to say whatever. I'm gonna sit here in the parking lot till this thing uploads, so let's make it short. I ain't gonna be here all night waiting for this thing to upload. Talk to you later.